So several uploads ago, I showed you guys how you can take your normal, average, everyday looking Pioneer 1000, 1005 and turn it into something completely unique that makes it stand out from every other Pioneer on the trail by adding a custom graphics kit from Creative UTV Graphics. But I realize, as some of you may have been watching that, you were thinking to yourself, well, I don't have any need or any desire to have something this elaborate and this custom done for my Pioneer. And not only that, but you may not be up for installing a graphics kit as elaborate as this. Now if this sounds like you, well then don't worry, don't fret, because not only does Creative UTV Graphics offer the fully customized kits like I have on my 1000, but they also offer these simple color accent kits like I have installed here on my 500 that install just as quick, just as easy, are just as durable, and they help give your UTV just that little extra pop of color that they often need. Now the nice thing about this kit is it's super easy to put on. It's not near as involved as the kit I put on the 1000, and it'll just really help this large area here on the side of your 500 where you have just this black plastic. And the only color panels you have on a 500 is the hood and the back fender, which half of the back fender gets covered up if you go to any kind of box or anything. So it's nice to have an option like a graphics kit like this to just add a little bit more color to your Pioneer 500. And these things install just as easy as the ones for the 1000 did. Just line her up here. Press it down. If you get a little wrinkle in these things until you add the heat to it, pull up pretty easy and can be readjusted. And just like the 1000, once you're happy with the placement of it and have it loosely pushed in place, you're just going to take your heat gun on a low setting, warm her up slightly, take your roller, and press her in good and tight. It's as easy as that, and then it's just rinse and repeat for the rest. And they even send you a couple little red decals that go right on top of your screws here for your latch. Which is kind of neat. And I'm betting these are spaced so they line right up. Yes, they are. And they even have the hole there that allows you to still get your Allen wrench in if you ever need to take it off. That's just a cool little touch that Creative UTV Graphics does. A graphic kit from Creative UTV Graphics make your side-by-side look good whether it's sitting still or you're riding in the trail. It's also made to take years of abuse as you hit the trail and keep on riding.
Appalachian Mountain Riders is brought to you in part by the following. The Honda Side-by-Side Club, because who knows the machines better than the owners that use them every day. Walker Evans Racing. When the path requires more than just ordinary, head on over to walkerevansracing.com. Torque Locker from Torque Masters Industries. When you want to explore the unexplored, head on over to torquemasters.com. And by my gracious supporters on Patreon.